Hello everybody, Super Logan 95, and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing it's a new stuff I got from GameStop tonight. Alright, so first thing, I gotta find the phrase. I got his location, Funko Pop, Fun Time Freddy, and how was it the last one for last? So let's get this guy open. Thank God there's no tape. There's no tape. There we go. Jeez, he just fell out. God dang, fell out. Okay, thank God I didn't break him. Oh, but look at this. Look at this. I love their Funko Pops. This was a lot shinier. This was a lot shinier than my other ones. I don't know. He looks more shiny. But also the top of the top hat. I think there's still paint on it. I mean, it feels wet. Here, see. Here's a look at the top. It's a little bit ruined, but I don't really care. So here's Bon Bon. Always looking cute. Just
Don't forget later, put your dirty clothes in there.
here.
Wash them tomorrow.
All right. Sorry. It's my mom. But see right there, you're not gonna show. You are not gonna show. There. No. It's too way off. Anyone, just leave right there. All right, and here's the big surprise. Here's the big surprise. But by the way, I got my hair re-dyed, and it's really long. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it cut. I'm gonna get it cut. This Saturday, but whatever. All right. Okay, let's hope this works. Pretty sure you saw it. Look, I got a cappy hat. Oh, gee. I got a cappy hat, and thank God I found it. I found it. Okay, excuse me. I'm gonna brush my hair. Yes, I found my GameStop. Okay, well, first I saw him online. I saw him online. I thought I have to get this guy. I have to get this guy because I am a big fan of Super Mario Odyssey. I drew so many drawings on the DeviantArt. Go check them out. They're really awesome. I drew them all Sharpie and mostly on digital. So. But hey, look, I got Cappy and he fits perfectly. And look, he fits perfectly. Yeah, look at me. And now I'm Mario. You know what? Hey, you know what? Hey, maybe I should go as Super Mario Odyssey Mario, and then Mario for Halloween. How about that? Or I don't know. But hey, look. But hey, look. Hey, this adds the collection to Mario. Hey, but this adds the Mario collection. No collection, and there's a whole bunch of my hair in there. All right, well, guys, thank you all for watching this unboxing. Sorry. First thing, sorry. if I only actually unboxed this one, this thing, I just showed you this. I just showed you this, but oh, but look at that Cappy hat. It looks so cool. I'll go and I can see a little bit of hair right there. So, FNAF Fit Spinner. Woohoo! Yeah, these are rigs. Yeah, these aren't really. Yeah, these aren't really. Yeah, these aren't. Yeah, these aren't really exciting anymore. So, you're gonna ask, what other Switch games am I going to get? Going to be getting Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle, Super Mario Odyssey, and Sonic Forces, and also Minecraft, Nintendo Switch Edition. I really want Minecraft. Minecraft on Switch. I haven't been really using my Switch all that much. Like, it used to be like the fun for it used to be the fun for me like for like a couple of weeks, but now I keep playing the thing all over again, and it's starting to get really boring. It's boring. No offense. No offense. Just to me, it's starting to get just a little bit old. Hey, but once I get new games, I will start playing it again. Okay, but anyway, thank you for watching this video. Leave a like. I'll leave it a like if you like it, and subscribe for more videos. Until then, I will see you all next video, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Let's go, Cappy. Boom.